What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Xengos, and in this video I'm going to explain you why I don't recommend meal prep companies and also having a chef cooking for you. So I have behind me the meals that they just arrived this morning. So this is what I'm getting every single day. I have 2 shakes, 3 meals and dessert, and something that I like is I have like a menu over here which shows me exactly the calories and the meals, everything in detail that I'm going to eat. So this is super cool. And the reason I'm not recommending you guys having a meal prep company or basically a chef is because what are you going to do when you stop having a meal prep company cooking for you? This is the biggest mistake that most people do when they start their weight loss journey. So they are overweight or they are trying to lose some weight, and what they do, they found these companies because they are so lazy to cook, and those companies tell them, okay, we're going to cook the meals for you. This is a package for fat loss, and as soon as you start eating our meals, then you will lose weight. Well, let me tell you something. Yes, this is going to work. As soon as you start eating the meals, because everything is calorie-based meals, then you will start losing weight. It's simple as that. Although my question is, what are you going to do when you are traveling? Are you still going to have the chef for you? Or what are you going to do when, let's say, you have tons of work and you forgot to take your meals with you? What are you going to do? What are you going to do when you go out to restaurants with friends, family, or clients for food or drinks? Are you going to bring the meal prep company meals with you? So the whole point, what I want to let you know guys understand about this is you need to learn how to do this by yourself. This is what I also do with my clients. For example, when they come to me and they tell me, I want to sign up for the package that you have the chef service. Well, I don't really recommend you to start with this package because the main reason is I want you to understand how to do this by yourself without being dependent on a chef or on a meal prep company. This is the most important thing, because the whole thing, the whole game about fitness is you understanding how to do things by yourself. So you don't have to rely on other people. You don't have to rely on meal prep companies. You don't have to rely on your wife. I just want you to do this by yourself. I want you to understand the main principles so you can eat the foods that you want and basically just enjoy your meals in any situation. Either you want to go to a restaurant, you still get food from there, or you go to a bar for a drink. You will know exactly what to do in order to stay and maintain on your weight loss journey. So this is my take on meal prep companies. Now, if you are a guy like me that, for example, you know how to do things, and because I'm doing this for 11 years now, the reason you are going to ask me, why do you order meal prep companies? The reason I'm ordering, I have a chef basically cooking for me, is because I don't really have time. But keep in mind guys, I'm doing this for 11 years. I know how to do this by myself. I used to cook by myself. I even have a recipe book. Have you checked my recipe book? So that's why I'm telling you that there is a time and place to have a chef and a meal prep company. Just make sure that you understand and know how to do things by your own without having someone else. This is the most important thing. As soon as you do that, then you will be ready to, let's say, hire a company to cook your meals. The number one question that you need to ask yourself is, when you start a diet, is, can you do this for the rest of your life? This is the most important question. If you can do this for the rest of your life, that means the diet and the nutrition that you are following is successful. This is also what I do with my clients. When I give them a system, when I give them a program to follow, is I ask them, can you do this for the rest of your life? If they tell me yes, then I succeeded as a coach. If they tell me no, then we go back again, we check the program, and then we do adjustments to see what went wrong and how we can change things in order to make sure that my client can follow this for the rest of his or her life. It's simple as that. So anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you need help with your fitness goals, make sure you book a free consultation session with me or with one of my coaches. In this consultation session, we are going to discuss what are you doing exactly at the gym right now, what is your diet, what is your lifestyle. You're going to tell me exactly all the obstacles that you have that prevent you from getting to the goal that you want. And then I'm going to assist you with a strategy that is going to help you to reach your dream physique. So this is what we are going to do at this strategy session. And who knows, if you are happy with what I'm giving you, then you can become one of my clients. We can work together one-on-one and you can get some awesome results like my clients that you see over here. So make sure you book this free consultation session. The links are in the description below. And I'm going to see you again in the next video. Have a good day.